Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to get biggest number without comparing two numbers. Okay, for given two numbers, you want to find out the biggest number, but you should not compare two numbers. It's a very interesting question. And is it possible to get biggest number without comparing two numbers? Yes, it is possible. There is function called absolute, you might have heard of, and we can also use it in mathematical terms, the mod. Okay, so how to use the absolute of a number? Okay, you see here absolute of -8. I just type in enter, you'll get 8. You see the negative part is removed, the sign is removed. Absolute of 8 is also 8. Okay, and absolute of 8 minus 10, 11, 12, it is 4, minus 4, but it is giving 4. Okay, this is the absolute function. Now you will know the formula. I'll show you the formula for it is mod a minus b, the number a and number b, mod a minus b, that is the absolute of a minus b plus a plus b. So everything will give you a plus b, will give you the addition of a plus b, and the a minus b, the difference will give you double a. If you add the difference with the b, it will also become a. So a plus a, 2a is coming. So if you divide by 2, you will get a. That is the biggest number. Okay, so I put 2 random numbers here. You can see every time you perform this action, you will find the new number. Okay, biggest number. I see the just see 856 638 856 511 378 511, biggest number. 959 54 959 977 580 977 718. Now the first number is lesser, bigger number is this one, 856 856. Okay, this way you can use the absolute function to find out the biggest number without comparing two numbers. Okay, I hope you like this video, and God bless you.